Do you know how to do full body workout without even standing up?
Just follow this yoga flow.
Just make sure your body is warmed up and let's begin. Take distance in your legs as per your flexibility. Make sure your back is straight. Turn your torso to the right and bend forward. Keep your back straight. Feel the stretch in your spine and in your thighs. You can use belt for the support. And slowly relax. And onto the other side. Stretch from your lower back. Stretch your arms, back, shoulders and your legs. And slowly come to the center. Now hold your ankles and go down as much as you can. You can place your elbows on the ground for the support. Feel the stretch in your spine and inner thighs. And if you can, touch your head to the ground. Stretch your whole spine and legs. Be there for a few seconds and slowly come up. Now slowly move into Baddha Konasana. Stretch your spine and go down. Touch your head to the ground. Feel the stretch in your glutes. Keep breathing. Now slowly relax. Now fold your left leg and keep right thigh on your left thigh. And come into Gomukhasana. Interlock your hands and stretch your spine. Feel that your spine is elongated and stretched. For extra stretch, stretch your hands up, lock your hands behind your head, elbows close to the head. Just get that extra stretch and slowly relax. Now onto the other side. This exercise is good to stretch all the muscles in your torso. If you want, you can close your eyes and be there for a few seconds. Now again stretch your hands. Pull your shoulders, spine and back. Now slowly relax. Stretch your legs. Flex your toes and point. Flex and point. Now let's start with twisting. Fold your right leg and twist to the right. Make sure your back is straight. Keep your left hand near to your shin to get extra stretch. And slowly relax. And onto the other side. Make sure your weight is not on the left arm. Twist your upper body as much as you can. Slowly relax. Now, lie down on your back. Take some deep breaths. Fold your legs. And come into Sarvangasana. Be there for few seconds. Now go into Halasana. You can take support of the wall. Touch your toes to the ground if you can and relax your hands. You can microbend your knees for little comfort. Feel the stretch in your spine. Now come into Sarvangasana. Try to make your body as straight as possible. You can hold this posture for a longer period of time. Come out of this pose as slowly as possible. Touch your buttocks to the ground and slowly lower down your legs. Now slowly fold your legs and turn to the right side and slowly come up and sit in Vajrasana. Lock your hands behind your back. Breathe in as you look up and breathe out from your mouth as you go down and touch your head to the ground. Stretch your hands. Make sure your buttocks are touching to the heels. Relax your spine and slowly come up. Now make a fist of your hands and place them on your thighs near to your lower belly. Breathe in as you look up and breathe out as you go down. Again, relax your whole spine. If you are feeling suffocated, you can come up. This asana is really good for your digestive system. After holding for 20 to 30 seconds, you can come up. Now, for the last relaxation, lie down on your back. Fold your legs and hold them with your hands and roll forward and backward. Give relaxation to your spine. Now, side to side. Relax your neck, your shoulders, and your legs. Now, straighten up your legs and you can relax in Shavasana.